Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I am so happy to see you here today. In today's video, we are going to learn something very useful. We will learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. These are sentences that you can use every single day, from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep. If you are a beginner, this video is perfect for you. We will go step by step very slowly. By the end of this video, you will be able to tell anyone about your day. Before we start, please remember to support us. Click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. This helps us create more helpful lessons for you. Are you ready? Let's begin with the morning. Let's start with the very beginning of the day. I wake up at 7 a.m. I turn off my alarm clock immediately. I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. Then I finally get up. I make my bed to keep the room tidy. I open the curtains to let the sunlight in. Now that we are out of bed, let's go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I look in the mirror and smile. I take a quick shower to feel fresh. I dry my hair with a towel. I comb my hair neatly. Now it is time to get ready for the day. I choose my clothes for the day. I get dressed for work. I put on my socks and shoes. I check myself in the mirror one last time. I grab my bag and my keys. Now I am ready to eat. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually have toast and eggs. I boil water to make some tea. I pour the coffee into a cup. I sit down and eat my breakfast slowly. I check the news on my phone while I eat. It is time to leave the house. I leave my house at 8 a.m. I lock the door behind me. I walk to the bus station. I take the bus to go to work. If the weather is good, I walk to work. I arrive at my office at 9 a.m. Let's talk about what we do during the day. I say good morning to my colleagues. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. I check my emails first thing in the morning. I have a meeting with my team. I work on my projects until noon. I try to stay focused on my work. Everyone gets hungry in the middle of the day. At 1 p.m. I take a lunch break. I usually eat lunch at the cafeteria. Sometimes I bring homemade food. I talk and laugh with my friends during lunch. After lunch, I go back to work. I finish my tasks for the day. Now the workday is finally over. I finish work at 5 p.m. I turn off my computer and clean my desk. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I leave the office and head home. The traffic is usually heavy in the evening. I finally get home at 6 p.m. When I get home, I like to relax. I change into comfortable clothes. I wash my hands and face. I relax on the sofa for a while. I spend time with my family. We cook dinner together in the kitchen. We eat dinner at 8 p.m. It is getting late and it is time to sleep. I wash the dishes after dinner. I watch TV or read a book. I lock the doors before going to bed. I set my alarm for the next morning. I turn off the lights. I go to sleep around 11 p.m. Great job, everyone. You made it to the end. We just went through a full day in English. My advice is to practice these sentences tomorrow morning. When you wake up, say, I wake up out loud. When you drink coffee, say, I am drinking coffee. Small steps will help you speak English fluently. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.